Hi, fourth grade. This is Miss Spates. Today is January 14th. We are looking at multiplicative comparison today for math. This is something that we've already covered, but we're just doing a little bit of review this week. So we're continuing what we did yesterday. This is just the back side of the paper that you started yesterday. And we are going to look at number 6 and number 9. All right, so we're going to start with number 6, and there are a couple different ways that you can solve this, but we're going to look at two specifically. So the first one we're going to look at is we're actually going to draw this out. So a lot of us are visual learners, so it sometimes makes more sense for us to draw things out. So number 6. This month, Jane saved 6 times as much money as she did last month. If she saved $42 this month, how much did she save last month? So we know that this month she saved $42. So I'm going to underline $42, and I'm going to underline this month. I'm also going to look at last month, and we know that she saved 6 times as much money this month as she did last month. So we're going to figure this out. So what I'm going to do is I know, based on reading my problem, that Jane saved more money this month than she did last month. If she saved 6 times as much money as she did last month, this month, then 42 is going to be bigger than what she saved last month. So I am going to draw 6 circles. And then I'm going to start counting up to 42. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Now, the only problem with this is that you have to be very careful and make sure that you have gone through every single circle, and you probably noticed that I kind of jumped around from different circles at sometimes, and that is not best practice. It is best practice to go through each one and go through them the same way you did the first time. That way you don't miscount. Another way you can check your work to make sure that you didn't miscount is go through and count that there are the same number of tallies in every single circle. So in this first circle, I see 7 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tallies in that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in that one. 7 in this one. 7 in this one. And 7 in this one. So 6 times 7 equals 42. So she saved $7 last month because she saved $42 this month, and she saved 6 times as much money as she did last month. Another way you could do this is you can look at this problem and you could say 6 times what equals 42. And those of you who are fluent with your basic math facts, that will be a really easy problem for you to solve. So our answer is choice A, and then you'll just write $7. All right, I'm going to scroll down here to number 9, and we're going to take a look at number 9. And it says, it costs $400 to take a bus tour of California. This is 4 times as much as it costs to take a bus tour of San Jose. How much is the bus tour of San Jose? So I can do this a couple different ways. If 400 is 4 times as much as it costs to take a bus tour of San Jose, what I could do is I could think about if I divided 400 into 4 equal parts, what's going to be one part equal to? So I could also take some of these, take my answers because they are multiple choice, and I could add them 4 times to see what gets 400. I already know that 400 is not the answer because 400 times 4 would not be 400. 300 times 4, if I do repeated addition, it's not going to be 400 either, because even adding 2 300s together, I'm already going to be over 400. If I do 100, 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. Oh, I think this might be my answer, but let me check this 200 just to make sure. Yep, 200 is not my answer. So I know that the bus tour of San Jose would be $100. So take a look at the other ones. You might have a couple more questions today just because these deal with bigger numbers and they're worded a little tricky, but that's to help strengthen your math skills. So come to small group with questions ready for me and Miss Graham.